Welcome to Bhatinda, one of the Punjab's oldest and most historical rich cities where ancient fort met serene lakes and vibrant gardens. In this video, we will take you through the top 10 tourist places to visit in Bhatinda, each one offering a unique story and experience. So get ready to discover the soul of Punjab through the lens of Bhatinda's most iconic spot. The first one is Kila Mubarak. Located in the heart of Bathinda city, Kila Mubarak is the majestic historic fort believed to date back to 90s era. It features imposing sandstone walls, ancient gateways, and intriguing royal chambers. You can climb the ramparts for panoramic views of the surrounding town and gardens. Inside the museum houses artifacts and weaponry from different eras. Visiting offers a fantastic glimpse into the Punjab's royal and sleek heritage. The second one is Bir Talab Zoo and Gardens. Set on the eastern side of Bathinda near Bir Talab Road, this lovely zoo and garden complex spans scenic green lawn and tree-lined paths. Visitors can stroll past enclosures housing deers, peacocks, and small mammals. The garden area also includes water fountains and sitting benches ideal for families and picnic goers. A peaceful environment makes it perfect for morning walk or afternoon breaks. Entry is affordable with nominal fee per person. The third one is Rose Garden Bathinda. Located beside the Mita Tibba Road, Rose Garden, also known locally as Jal Garden. It is a colorful oasis in the city. The well-maintained garden showcases a variety of roses, flower shrubs, and exotic plants. Beautiful pathways wind through manicured lawn, while benches and gazebos offer spot to relax. It is particularly vibrant during rose blooming season. Local visitors often pack snacks for pleasant evening moments here. The next one is Gurdwara Bir Talib Sahib. This sacred shrine is situated about 5 km east of Bathinda city centre along the Bathinda Turn Train Road. The Gurdwara stands beside a sacred water tank believed to have historically cooled Guru Gobind Singh Ji's demonic leg pain. With its pristine marble architecture and serene ambience, it draws pilgrims and tourists alike. The Langar kitchen serves free meals to visitors, ideal for meditation, reflection, and experiencing local Sikh devotion. The next one is Bathinda Lake. Just alongside the zoo and Gurdwara area, Bathinda Lake is a serene spot for relaxation and light boating rides. Surrounded by greenery and cool breeze, this lake offers shaded seating and small cafe nearby. Bird watchers might spot migratory waterfall during winter month. Evening visits are especially peaceful with the reflection of city lights glittering on the water. Great place for spending quality family time outdoors. The next one is Government Museum and Art Gallery. Located near Punjabi University Regional Centre of Millennium Road, this obscure gym displays historical artifacts, archaeological exhibits, and local handicrafts. Its gallery includes ancient coins, pottery, traditional textiles, and historical accounts of Bathinda's past. The knowledgeable curators often explain exhibits in English and Punjabi, ideal for cultural and history enthusiasts wanting to move beyond just castles and gardens. The next one is Rose Retreat and Resort. While technically located a few kilometers outside Bathinda city along Barnala Road, this resort combines nature with comfort. Its sprawling lawn, Rose plantation and cottage-style rooms make it a popular weekend getaway. Activities include a rose petal walk, spa session, and chartered meals. Guests praise its peaceful surroundings and floral fragrances throughout the property, perfect for a restful overnight escape near the city. The second last is Kila Zanjir Mahal, located near the banks of the Batinda Ranch Canal of Model Town Road. This colonial era red brick palace dated back to British rules. Its architecture blends Victorian and Indian style with ornate rooms, arch, and landscaped gardens. Third parts are under restoration. Visitors can explore the ground and main halls. The historical narratives include tales of Maharaja Mohinder Singh, great for architecture buffs and history lovers. The last one is Central Market and Urdu Bazaar area. In the downtown district near civil lines, the bustling Central Market and Urdu Bazaar provide a taste of Batinda street life. Narrow lanes are lined with colorful stalls selling Punjabi textiles, teas, spices, and local street food like pakoras and lassis. The energy is authentic and chaotic in the best way. Great for visitors wanting to soak in local culture, shop crafts, or grab a quick snack while exploring the city's center. Here are some tips for visiting Batinda. The best time to explore outdoor sites like Kila Mubarak, Bir Talib Zoo, and Rose Garden is between October and March when the weather is pleasant and mild. Dress modestly while visiting religious attractions such as Gurdwara Bir Talib Sahib and Gariri Sahib. Carry some cash, especially for small food vendors and local transports in Urdu Bazaar or around rural temple areas. Local auto rickshaws and tuk-tuks are widely available and convenient for navigating market areas and nearby attractions. To avoid crowds, visit early in the morning or late afternoon, especially on weekends. And that's wrap up our journey through the top 10 tourist places in Batinda, from the timeless beauty of Kila Mubarak to the peaceful charm of Bir Talib Zoo and the vibrant energy of local markets. Batinda offers a beautiful mix of history, spirituality, and culture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides across India.